everybody. Charlie Sports Cards coming at you. I'd like to wish everybody a happy new year, and I hope everybody has a great 2022. So just to get into this, we're going to look at this Pokemon card today. So someone called me up and asked me if they could use the grading card centering tool with a Pokemon card. So I've been checking it out, and I figure pretty much you can use it, and there's a way that you can use it. So if you check it out, see, the centering tool has numbers on it. It goes 1 through 10. Each line corresponds with a number. Okay, but as you know, the Pokemon card is just a little bit shorter and a little not as wide as a baseball card. So if you could see this here. So there is a way you can do it, but and this is what I figure. Okay, so if you line up the card at the top, and you lay it like that, okay? So now you can see all your centering lines, but as you see down here, you'll be a little off. So you just want to correspond with the lines that you are lined up with to see everything. So I always use this when I'm using this for baseball cards or whatever. So I'm gonna try it with the Pokemon card and see how it looks to me. All right, so, but you can use it. It is a method if you want to use it before you send your card in to get graded. But before you do send it in and get graded, you do have to make sure it's going to be a real card and stuff. So, looking at the sides here and stuff. So far, everything I'm looking at is matching with the lines. So I pretty much say this card is a centered card. So, and then if you want to check out the picture and stuff, I guess you could look at that, but that looks pretty centered for me as a card. So let me just make sure. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna line up the top of the card like that, and you follow the numbers on the sides to make sure the card's centered and everything. And then you just follow the numbers here to make sure everything's lined up the same here. As you can see, I believe this is the 3 line here, comes down the sides here, okay? So when you get down to here, that 3 line is gonna change. And that's because your card is sitting up a little bit. So that 3 line is gonna be a little different than being 3. But other than that, this pretty much matches all of that on the 3 line. So when you get to the bottom, you're gonna have to use a different line to, like this 1 line here. The bottom piece of the line, which is right here, this is the 1 line, is definitely lined up all. And as I was saying up here, when I'm looking at this yellow part here, this is the 3 line going across here. That's all lined up. And coming down the sides also is the 3 line. And that's all lined up there. And over here is the 3 line. And this is all lined up. So, like I said, it's just the bottom part of the card is not exactly as wide as a baseball card or the length of a baseball card. but you probably can definitely use a grading centering tool to prepare your Pokemon cards to see if they're centered, or to see if they're centered and stuff before sending them in to get graded or whatever. But there's also other stuff, like I know this isn't a first edition because it doesn't have a first edition over here. So I really don't know about Pokemon cards, so I just know very little. And when you hold it up to a light, you got to make sure you can't see through it or whatever, because when these were made, they were made with a special layer in the middle, like a dark layer, so you shouldn't be able to see light through it that easily. And then that's about all I know about the Pokemon cards. I hope this helps people that want to use the grading centering tool to use with your Pokemon cards. It's a great little tool, you know, saves me some money before sending out cards or whatever to get graded. So hope this helped you out. All right, thanks everybody for watching, and Charlie Sports Cards out.